Hello and welcome to Honda Stockport. My name's Charlotte and today we're giving you a full video tour of this fantastic buy. We do have the 2018 edition of Volvo V40 T2 R-Design that is currently in our stock. As you can see, it does come in this classic yet stunning silver exterior, and with your 2-litre petrol engine it is ideal for those city drives. For any further information, please give us a call on 0161 825 0235. So starting at the front, you do have your very stylish LED daytime running headlights, really giving the vehicle that sleek finish. Round to the side, they do sit on these alloys which can be upgraded to your diamond cut matte black finish. You do also have your electronically adjustable and heated door mirrors, which do also house your indicators in there. If we move along now into your rear interior finish, you will find a part leather, part cloth, so very comfortable for all travelling passengers. You do even have a handy pull-down armrest along with your 2 pop-out cup holders, making it very comfortable for all travelling passengers, along with plenty of leg space below. As it is a 2018 edition, it has covered 13,975 miles. Round to your rear, you are complemented by your badging and plenty of space in your boot area, as you can see. So ideal for all those day-to-day items, including several suitcases or shopping bags. And of course, you do have your fitted parcel shelf just above. If we move along now into your front interior features, you will find complemented on your door sill by your badging, followed by your multifunctional steering wheel. You do also have your central display screen with below controls for this. You do also have your climate controls located just underneath there as well. As you can see, this is a manual transmission. You do also have your handy armrest, which is a full leather with plenty of storage below. This does divide your part leather, part cloth front sport seats. Again, very comfortable for both travelling passengers. And that does conclude our full 360 walk around of this vehicle. So we now take a seat in the front. I will show you all the top key technology features. To your right hand side in your driver's door, you will find all 4 of your electronic window controls, along with your central locking system and your outer wing mirror adjustments. Just to the right hand side of your steering wheel, you will find your audio controls, including your voice recognition for that hands-free safe drive. If we move just to your left hand side, you will find your option for your speed limiter, keeping you at a safe legal distance at all times. You can also use the buttons on your steering wheel to navigate around your digital cockpit screen and display an array of car functions on there, including your oil level or service. Moving into the centre, using your controls located just below, you can quite easily navigate around. So as you can see, there are plenty of radio stations on there. You do have a built-in CD player along with your Bluetooth connection, so you can gain access to all your vital car apps. This will also allow you to make hands-free safe phone calls. You do also have your built-in satellite navigation on here, so it is handy, especially in those unfamiliar areas. You do also have your internet connection on here as well, and you can also gain access to this if you do connect via Bluetooth. As you move just below, of course, you do have your central climate air vents along with your central controls. So as you can see, this does include your climate options here as well. So if you just look to your right hand side, you can use these dials. This will also be displayed on your central screen, so you don't need to take your eyes off the road. You do also have your front and rear heated windscreen options on here, so it is ideal in those winter months. Moving just below, like stated previously, this is a manual transmission, so you do have your manual gear stick and manual parking brake, along with a small storage pocket, which once you pull the tab backwards, it will expose 2 handy cup holders and a 12-volt power outlet inside, followed by your handy armrest with plenty of storage inside. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. If you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give our team a call on 0161 825 0235 and don't forget to hit that subscribe button just below to keep up to date.